Hey my beauties, welcome back to Wendy's World. So I'm going to do something different. I'm going to color my hair myself. This hair color is totally natural, which is wonderful because it took me a while to grow out my hair, but I wanted to do something different and I don't know, just change my style, make me feel a little bit better about the winter coming along, and I got Herbatint. So Herbatint, which means it's a little bit more natural, has no ammonia. This is the color that I chose, which is 4M, I believe, mahogany chestnut. It's quite a bit lighter. I doubt it'll be that light, but maybe it'll just, I don't know, make it look a little bit lighter and make me feel better about the winter that's coming up. So let's get started, guys. So here is the hair color gel, and here is the developer. This is made in Italy, and this is the conditioner. Got a plastic tub. I've got my own brush. It actually didn't come in the box itself. What the hell is that? That was weird. And here is the instructions. Hopefully it's going to come in English because, like I said, the company, oh good, there is my plastic gloves. I didn't have any of my own. I just had my own comb. Excellent. Let's get started. I use full bottles of the color and the developer here. So shake both bottles to make sure that they're well mixed. Go grab yourself an old t-shirt or an old towel and wrap it around your shoulders to make sure that you don't get the dye on your clothes. Now, I got a plastic bin that is old and I didn't need any more. You can use that, but definitely don't use a metal bin. Now, I have mixed both the color and the developer together, and the reason why I did that is because I have longish hair, and you may too, but also because I have virgin hair. That is, this is completely natural hair, and I haven't colored it. So I thought maybe I would need a little bit more of this product. Now, here you can see I have used my brush, and I am brushing the dye into my hair. I smelled the Herbatint, and it's true, it doesn't have any odor, so therefore ammonia is not present, which is a really great thing. Now, with the brush, I really highly recommend you go get yourself a brush to do this. I mean, using your hands, well, it would be really messy if you were just going to rub it into your hair. So, wait 40 minutes. So this is it. Look at how it shines in the sunshine. Isn't it beautiful? It's very subtle, but I really like it. Thanks so much for joining me in Wendy's World, and I'll see you next time on my next tutorial. Bye.